Good afternoon, my name is Paula Baracaldo and I am the Director for Building Construction Services. Welcome to the Building Construction Services Department and thank you for wanting to learn more about your local government and the work that we do. Tonight, you will learn about the work of the dedicated team that ensures that the safety of vertical structures in the county is not just a dream but a reality. The Building Construction Services team is responsible for the entire permitting process that encompasses the issuing, reviewing, maintaining, recording, and tracking of all permits for new construction. The department also processes permits for alterations, additions, repairs, remodels, and demolitions. Just this year alone, we've had over 198,000 permits submitted. Our team also inspects all building projects in the county to guarantee compliance with the Florida Building Code, the Land Development Code, and the Pasco County Code of Ordinances. Every single of our functions serves the team, and they are related directly to protecting the general health, safety, and welfare of our citizens, you, our neighbors, enhance the quality of life, eliminate unsafe buildings in the county, and use the latest technology to better provide services to you and the development community wherever it is feasible. During tonight's session, we hope that you'll learn more about the important work that our building inspectors, permit technicians, plans reviewers, and building officials do while helping our county grow into the community of tomorrow. Thank you for being with us, and I hope you enjoyed tonight's session.
Good evening and welcome to Building Construction Services. My name is Esther Luyemi and I am the building official for Pasco County. My number one priority to the county is life safety. We pride ourselves in providing the best customer service to our citizens. I'm always available when needed at a job site and I am just a phone call away. Feel free to reach out to me at any time. Thank you.
Hello and welcome to the Pasco County Citizens Academy. My name is Raymond F. Blanco Jr. I'm the Deputy Building Official for Building Inspections. Our mission is to provide inspections at predetermined stages of construction to provide public life safety. We have a great team of professionals made up of 46 licensed inspectors from 4 trades: building, electrical, mechanical, and plumbing. Our team performs inspections on residential and commercial structures. A high percentage of our inspections are new residential. To give you an idea, a new single-family residence like this will take a minimum of 23 inspections at different stages of its construction. Last year, our team performed over 215,000 inspections. This year, for 2020, we're on track to perform over 260,000. We perform inspections in person as well as video inspections. Video inspections is a virtual inspection tool that provides inspection services remotely. By using video inspections, our inspectors can perform the virtual inspections using video and verify the inspection locations matching the permit address using geolocators. Our goal is to provide superior customer service at all times. Thank you.
Hello, welcome to Minimum Standards. We're part of the Pasco County Building Construction Services. Hello, my name is Glenn Wardell. I manage this group and this is a small picture of the things that we do. One of the biggest things that we do is respond to complaints of work that's being done without a permit. If that turns out to be true, we follow up with a violation. If the violation is removed or if a permit is obtained to cure the violation promptly, then life is good and the problem goes away. If that doesn't happen, then these cases can be taken to the Pasco County Construction Board. They might decide that fines are needed in order to make the problem go away and to achieve compliance. From time to time, we also receive complaints about unlicensed contracting. Our group works hand in hand with the Pasco County Sheriff's Office, and the Sheriff's Office works side by side with insurance investigators from the state of Florida. Be smart. Hire licensed contractors. By doing that, you're going to avoid substandard work, the possibility of fines, and possibly even misdemeanor or felony charges on your record. Over a year, we'll receive about 1,000 complaints, and about 500 of those will become a case. Also, if you're improving your waterfront property, if you're putting in a dock, if you're putting in a seawall or a boat lift, it'll be our team that comes out and does the inspections. Our team is comprised of investigators that have a background in construction, and they're licensed as building inspectors in various trades as well, all with the state of Florida. We work together with central permitting, with building inspections, and with plan review to make a complete cycle of taking it from a violation problem to a full resolution of curing the violation. Welcome again from Minimum Standards, and if you have an issue that comes across us, we get what your problem is and we're here to help. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jeff Blaskovich, and I'm the Plans Examiner Supervisor here at Building Construction Services. My team and I have a crucial job, and what we do is we review the plans for all the buildings in Pasco County, whether they're new or existing, to ensure their compliance with the Florida Building Code. Everything from structural integrity, energy efficiency, and most importantly, life safety.
Hi, I'm Marisol Mellinger, Central Permitting Manager for Building Construction Services. Our department is responsible for processing all building construction permits for Pasco County. We have 3 locations, one in Dade City, one in Land O'Lakes, and one in Newport Richey. Due to COVID, we had to think outside the box and get a little creative. We modified our process to ensure we kept our level of service, or at least tried. Since COVID, our permit numbers have increased tremendously. For example, a perfect example is on September of 2019, we had 337 new home permits. In September of 2020, we had 597 new home permits. And let's not talk about pools. In pools, from August and September of 2019, we had 196 pool permits. This August and September, we had 409 pool permits, and they continue to grow. But we continue to try to provide the best customer service to the citizens of Pasco County.